But apart from the auto ancillary space, Cheryl, it's Friday today, thankfully, but it's Buy Now Sell Now Paathshala day as well. So let's go across to Kunal, then he's joining by and standing by rather to help us with the learnings for today.
Thank you so much for that. Yeah, so finally Friday, and good part about the Friday is that it's a long weekend. So I think that's the other benefit.
That's the reason why you're smiling, huge wide smile coming in for Kunal, isn't it?
Absolutely, yes. And so is today's topic. And it's a very interesting topic, something which you may definitely not have heard in terms of the technical parlance, but that's what we call it as a very staggered kind of an uptrend or a step-by-step uptrend, to put it very simply. Now, what does the step-by-step uptrend means? It's when stock gets into a breakout formation or into a trending formation, the stock slowly and gradually starts to move up higher. So sometimes the gradual consolidation could take the stock maybe weeks, months, and sometimes it could take even years for the stock to get into a steady, strong uptrend. So this is a classical example over here. A stock like ABFRL, which in the previous version, when the stock was almost at 180-85 levels, went into such a kind of a gradual uptrend. So as you can see, the stock moves up higher, gets into a phase of consolidation, moves up higher, hits a new high, swing high for itself, then consolidates over here for a period of few weeks, then keeps on making a pattern of new high for itself. So it's a step-by-step movement for the stock, and these form very essential parts when you're trying to analyze an uptrend, because this generally indicates that buying the stock at a peak of momentum may not be a better strategy, but buying the stock at a time when it enters into a time-wise consolidation actually forms a very good entry point as a strategy for stocks like these. We've seen gradually that the stock moved from 180-85 levels over here to a manner of 260-270 in a matter of 6 to 7 months. So that's what a gradual uptrend or a step-by-step uptrend actually indicates into a chart. We look at one more example over here, and again from the historical context, something which I had tracked very, very closely when the stock was building into such kind of a step-by-step uptrend. This is JSW Energy, and a very classical chart over here for JSW Energy, when the stock was almost at 40-45 rupees in 2020-21. From there, as you can see, the stock went into a gradual trend. And remember, JSW Energy was a very high beta stock. So for a high beta stock to change its nature and behavior and get into a gradual uptrend indicates that there's been a change of behavior and potentially a change of mega trend for the stock. And from 40-45 rupees, the stock moved up higher, kept on making a new high, consolidated at those higher levels, and then graduated to a new highs and then consolidated again. So again, as you can see, gradually when you look at the long-term charts, you see the stock forming a step-by-step uptrend, a very classical formation, very rare kind of a chart patterns which you see, but that indicates that you have to ride the uptrend more strongly and then look out for dips or corrections as good buying opportunities.
All right, Kunal, thank you so much for helping us with today's understanding. Step-by-step uptrend is what we have learned in today's trading session. But with this, viewers, it's time to slip into a very short break. But
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.